Yo, boss, leave your name, aka the Ghetto Youth Motivator, aka the Girls the Man. What's up, man, guys? What's up, Charlie? Welcome to the channel. Today we can't talk about how to approach a lady for the first time. How you go see some girl then call am. How you go see some lady then chat am. How you go see some lady then say, yo, what's up? Can I talk to you? Yeah. Yo, so one thing they with me, I feel they talk more times. Yeah, I feel they talk say seeing a lady and trying to talk to her or trying to approach her for the first time is not a big deal. Mostly, Charlie, it dey depend on the mood where you yourself you dey in. So me, when it comes to these times, I dey always try to put myself in the best of mood. I dey always try to put myself in a play mood. I dey always try to make myself happy, to make sure say I dey happy mood inside before I even call that lady or I even approach that lady. Because Charlie, your mood will determine how you go flow to the lady or how you go approach am or how you go talk to am. You dey see. So always try to be in a good mood before you approach am. So you see, me I feel dey tell my guys more times, see, approaching a lady for the first time, hard, but it always depend on the mood inside you dey. So always try to be happy. If you be happy, calling her or trying to talk to her, it's not a big deal. What's up? They go kill human being. Moreover, she no be Jesus Christ. Moreover, she no be God. She no be president. What's up? So trying to chat or talk to her, it's not a big deal. If I see you and I feel like I want to chat with you or I want to talk to you, what's up? I just call you straight ahead. Because I know my value, I know myself. You the bab. Yeah, so if you have that confidence, seeing somebody and trying to talk to the person, it's not a big deal. Sometimes man, guys sometimes they feel the talk say what happens if you call her where she no come, or if you chat her where she no mind you, or Charlie, be the first time the first time or the first person them go reject. Me sometimes I dey talk say rejection is good, because if she rejects you, whatever you do or how you approach her or how you start the sentence where be where he let he reject you, you go pick am from there. You go master that craft. Next time if you see somebody again and you're trying to chat or you're trying to talk to the person, you will know that this one small man moved the last time. So you go twist. Where every time today they talk say, practice make man perfect. The more you practice, the more you know with the bab. So sometimes rejection is good. You should never be afraid of rejection. If you want to talk to somebody, you for never fear say the person will reject you or the person will mind you. You for never be afraid of rejection. Moreover, be the first person. Go be the last person. What be the big deal? If she rejects you, what be the big deal? There are more ladies in town. Charlie, girls there everywhere. So what's up? Why they fear rejection? Why they fear say if she rejects you? So what's up? Most of the time you for be confident. Confidence be very, 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 very good. It be very, very good. If you do go approach somebody, where you yourself where you go approach the person, be confidence. You be confident enough. You don't know yourself. You don't know your value. The person you do go approach himself, you now before you go approach the person, you the fool say the person be too big past you. How you go approach him or how you go even talk to him? Even if you master the courage self, call her or stop herself, because you don't get confident enough now. How you go manage talk to her? This be why I dey always like my alpha guys. Guys with them get confidence. Guys with them get vim, they get zeal. They fear nothing. Whoever you be, they shake self. call you, you go talk to you, whatever you want to, you go tell you. Man like bunker, yes. It about. So you for always be confident. Then you for also be, confidence they bring that thing. You for be calm. I mean, trying to talk to her the first day or the first time doesn't mean anything. What's up? It about if you get the confidence in you, you'll be very calm. You'll be very, very, very calm. Talking to her, what's up? It not a big deal. But most of the time, you for be confident. I mean, confidence be very, 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 very good. It be very, very good. If you don't go approach somebody, where you yourself where you go approach the person, you know be confidence. You know be confidence enough. You don't know yourself. You don't know your value. The person you go approach himself, you now before you go approach the person, you the feel say the person be too big past you. How you go approach him, or how you go even talk to him? Even if you master the courage self, call her or stop herself, because you don't get confident enough now. How you go manage talk to her? This be why I dey always like my alpha guys. Guys with them get confidence. Guys with them get vim, they get zeal. They fear nothing. Whoever you be, they shake self. He will call you, he will talk to you, whatever you want to, you will tell you. Man like bunker, yes. It about. So you for always be confident. Then you for also be, confidence they bring that thing. You for be calm. I mean, trying to talk to her the first day or the first time doesn't mean anything. What's up? It about if you get the confidence in you, you'll be very a big deal. Mostly, I feel they tell most of my guys say some girls they way you go see them where you won't call them where they shake. Them myself they won't make you call them. You think say if ladies they come out then they try look good and they try look good and all that. If you know be because of you, why should they suffer, they do all that dressing and all that? Most of the time, most of them they won't make you call them. So what's up? What be the big deal? Just go ahead and call her. If you call her, you just talk to her. It be friendship you don't want. Just go straight. If she's interested, cool. If she's not interested and she doesn't want you to see, most of the time, I feel they tell my guys every day. See, the girls them plenty pass we cry. That be one advantage guys we always get. Girls they down plenty, them plenty pass we. Girls they down plenty. So always you forget that mentality for your head inside. Always you for know that thing. So if you call this one will no be, this one will respond. If you call this one, talk to you, this one will talk to you. If I just try to, talk to more of them, try to get closer to them. The more you they talk to them, the more you they master the craft, the more you they get experience. Talking to a lady the first day or the first time or the first whatever is not difficult. It always depend on you, your courage, your confidence. Yes, every time if your confidence go give you that zeal, then you for always get that mentality say no woman big pass you, no woman pass your level. Anyone you see you want to talk to, just go ahead and talk to her. Maybe she is even ready to talk to you. Maybe she's even willing to open up. It always depend on you. Just call the first shot. It be easy. I beg you people, make you people try then subscribe. You like, then you share. Make you people share. So say we will get more guys. Guys they plenty. Most of the things I they talk on the channels of them no. Hey Charlie, they just they fall give ladies here and there before you go hear no broken heart, before you go hear no Charlie guy down. That thing before end down we be boys, before they help each other, before they teach each other what you know, before no hide down. So say we all we go learn together. Yeah. So I dey beg you people, make you people subscribe, you like, then you share. So say we go feel open up. Yeah. Yo, Boss Leo be the name, aka the ghetto youth motivator, aka the girls them are. My guys, Charlie, subscribe, like, and share. Better days ahead.